Good morning to all. I am Rudra Panti Nandini and today's laptop topic is blockchain. Today's topic contents are introduction, construction, working, advantage, disadvantage and applications. Blockchain is introduced by the Satoshi Nakamoto at 2008. It is a technique where we can store the information. It is mainly made up of the cryptocurrency, means unique code. Blockchain is also known as database where we can store the data like images, photos and videos. Even if we can store in cloud also, still it is hacking like bank account, servers and personal accounts. For that, we can solve this mess. Yes, exactly. For that only, researcher can be the excellent solution, that is blockchain. Blockchain is mainly used for the storing and recording the data, and many computers across the world it is made up of because of blockchain. Let's see about the construction of blockchain. One block consists of three main parts, that is data, hash and hash of the previous data. Data means if transaction is happening between A and B, means data is to, from and amount. Hash means unique to fingerprint, and previous of the hash means if your previous hash not matching to the present hash means you cannot extract that data. Let's see about one example of the transaction. First of all, request for a transaction, then block creation transaction, block is broadcast, then all not satisfied, then block is added to the chain, last finally transaction is executed. Let's see one video of blockchain, then know about more.
Integrity of a digital piece of information. It was invented to create the alternative currency Bitcoin, but may be used for other cryptocurrencies, online signature services, voting systems, and many other applications. In this video, we explain how it works and what makes it special. Everyone uses paper money. You get a $10 bill, you trust that it's not fake. If instead someone sent you an email saying, here's $10, you probably wouldn't trust it. But when we transfer money, use an ATM or pay with a deposit card, that's pretty much exactly what we do. We're sending money in a digital message. To make sure no one's cheating or sending money they don't have, these messages go through a few trusted banks that keep a record of everything. They know how much money everyone has and deduct it properly for every transaction. But this becomes expensive when there's a million transactions around the world every minute. The Economist estimates that banks charged us more than $1.7 trillion to process these payments in 2014. That's about 2% of the entire world economy. With blockchain, we can save a lot of this cost because it lets us send money just like sending an email. Instead of sending a lot of payment information through a few servers, blockchain uses thousands of personal computers on the internet. All transactions are copied and cross-checked between every computer in a system-wide accounting book called the ledger, which becomes very safe at scale. Blockchain doesn't just allow us to create safe money online, it lets us protect any piece of digital information. This could be online identity cards, voter ballots, contracts, and many other legal instruments, bringing bureaucracy into the 21st century.
We have seen that here transaction happening means sender bank and receiver bank. Between that, many corporate banks are involved. Nowadays, within 1 minute, 1 second, transaction is happening by the Bitcoin. Then features of blockchain. P2P network, decentralized means no central authority is there to control it. Immutable, no hacking and security, then data availability. Advantages of blockchain. Process integrity, easy to traceable. If anyone want to hack means it cannot, it easily trace. Then security 100% giving. Process integrity, fast processing, distributed, open to public. Then disadvantages, cost efficiency, energy and regulatory issues. Then education levels. Then this application of blockchain. Voting level we can use it. Then healthcare to store the information of person. Then education level we can upload our certificates, marks it like that, documents. Then cyber security for tracing purpose. Then insurance, stock exchanging means updating the stock. Thank you.